There are many business ideas you can start that let you focus less on the logistics associated with inventory and more on your business. These low investment, no inventory online businesses make a great entry point for beginners or anyone with a busy schedule. The 3 low investment business ideas you can start online are: 1. Design and sell print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand puts inventory, shipping, and fulfillment in the hands of a third-party supplier. In this business you have to focus on customizing products with your own designs to create something original. You can create t-shirts, hats, phone cases, hoodies, skirts and tote bags. 2. Build a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a business model where a third-party seller stores and ships inventory to customers on your behalf. You just need to make the sales, you don't need to handle the products yourself. Dropshipping is a low-investment way to launch a business. 3. Create digital products or courses. You can create digital products like music, courses, and templates. Unlike the others, they're not tangible products. There aren't recurring manufacturing or shipping costs to worry about, so your margins can remain high. You can sell your digital products through third-party websites or your own website. So these are the 3 low-investment business ideas you can start online. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.